A Love Where Dark Meets the Sunlight. Chapter 6. Thea shook hands with the chief commander, inquiring about his well-being. With a tone of great pride, the chief commander affirmed his good health and expressed his honor at being asked by the princess. The princess then approached another commander and extended the same courtesy. As she turned to greet the new bodyguard, she froze, unable to move an inch. It was the very face she had hoped never to see again, a face forever etched in her memory. "Princess Thea, this is your new bodyguard. He'll be assisting you starting today," announced the chief commander. "I'm honored to be your bodyguard, my highness," Asmodeus replied, a happy smile gracing his features. Thea remained silent, her gaze fixed briefly on Asmodeus. It wasn't until Amelia subtly nudged her elbow that she snapped back to reality. "It's nice to meet you too," Princess Thea began, a slight pause before she added, "And what, may I ask, is your name?" "My name is Asmodeus," he stated, an eerie smile playing on his lips, "and it means demon." "Oh, a great name," Thea managed, her own smile feeling a little strained.
"Princess, if you will excuse me, I have a meeting with my fellow soldiers. May I be dismissed?" The chief commander inquired respectfully. "Yes, sir. Please attend to your duties," Thea replied. With the chief commander and the other commander having departed, only Thea, Asmodeus, and the lady-in-waiting were left in the hall. Thea felt a sudden uncertainty, as if everyone was awaiting her instruction. Yet the princess herself was at a loss. After standing for what felt like an eternity, she blurted out, almost without realizing it, that she would be heading to the library to read. And so the entire group proceeded to the library. This was Asmodeus's first time in a library, and he was amazed by how huge it was and all the books inside. It felt like every book ever made was there. Princess Thea walked away, and quickly she was gone. Asmodeus didn't know what to do. Should he follow her closely, or just act like everyone else and stay out of her way? He started looking all over the big library, which had many turns. Suddenly, someone behind him grabbed the back of his shirt and pulled him up.